Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Manali Majetia and I am back with a new video और आज की वीडियो बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है. So आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ my 2 favorite products. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But please subscribe if you haven't yet and give this video a big fat thumbs up already. So now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. हम सभी की लाइफस्टाइल, डाइट, वे ऑफ लिविंग इतना चेंज हो गया है और इसका नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट हमारे बॉडीज पे, हमारे हेल्थ पे हो रहा है. सो इट इज़ हाई टाइम फॉर अस टू स्टार्ट कंज्यूमिंग समथिंग हेल्दी एंड समथिंग दैट कैन मेक आवर बॉडी फिट. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई विल शेयर इन द वीडियो. प्लीज कीप वॉचिंग द वीडियो टिल द एंड. सो आई हैव गॉट rolled oats from Vihado. Now oats are the healthiest grain one can consume and these oats are gluten free and are a great source of minerals, fibers, antioxidants and vitamins. So guys, this pack of oats is not just tasty but also healthy. It will give you a lot of health benefits, like it may reduce your blood sugar level, it can reduce risk of heart diseases. You can have these oats literally every day for your breakfast. What are you waiting for? So just get yourself this product from Vihado. So guys, I have genuinely tried this pack of oats from Vihado for a couple of days and I'm so damn happy with the results. Matlab, you know, when you eat pizza, burger, noodles or anything, it contains all-purpose flour, correct? After eating all-purpose flour, you kind of become lazy or loafy, but since the time I've started eating this, I feel very energetic, I feel healthy and I've started literally having this every day for my breakfast. मैंने इसको genuinely use किया है and then I'm suggesting. I would never suggest anything that is not good for your health. Also, I got a 500 grams of packet for just 499 rupees, which is amazing. 499 में आप pizza खाओगे, burger खाओगे, which is not at all healthy, but you get this pack, which is totally just made for you. It is amazing. I know हमारे घर पे बहुत सारे options होते हैं for breakfast, like पोहा, उपमा और एनीथिंग, बट इन सबको बनाने में भी टाइम जाता है. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू ओट्स फ्रॉम विहादो, इसको बनाने में कोई झंझट ही नहीं है. मतलब आप 15 मिनट्स में आपका ब्रेकफास्ट रेडी है. आपको जस्ट लेना है हाफ कप ऑफ रोल्ड ओट्स फ्रॉम विहादो, उसमें ऐड करिए 1 कप ऑफ मिल्क, मिक्स इट वेल, लेट इट कुक फॉर 12 to 15 मिनट्स. जो भी फ्रूट्स आपको चाहिए आप ऐड कर सकते हो. एप्पल, बनाना, गुआवा, पोमेग्रेनेट, एनीथिंग. यू कैन ऐड एनी फ्रूट दैट you want. You have to just mix it well. You can also top it up with nuts. And guys, now you have your full bowl of healthy breakfast. Guys, I'm not even kidding. I have this every day for my breakfast because I just love how it tastes and also the fact that it's very healthy. And the second product is chia seeds from Vihado. So guys, chia seeds are incredibly rich in antioxidants, nutrients, fibers, minerals, omega-3 fatty acids. Studies say that chia seeds promotes heart health, it makes your bones stronger and it also manages your blood sugar level. So this pack of chia seeds is highly nutritious and it tends to reduce risk of heart diseases. So guys, y'all can definitely give it a shot. आप ज़रूर try कर सकते हो ये. It's an affordable product. You get 200 gram pack for just 249 rupees. और इसके benefits आप देखिए, it's totally worth it. आप ले सकते हो ये product. इस product की सारी information आपको पैक के पीछे मिल जाती है. यहाँ पे आपको nutritional value भी दी गई है and instructions of how to use भी आपको दिया गया है. You just need to soak chia seeds in water for 25 to 30 minutes. Then you can use those chia seeds as toppings. You can use them as toppings on salads, baked cookies, yogurt or oatmeal. So you can definitely give it a shot. आप try ज़रूर कर सकते हो. Even I have these chia seeds with yogurt sometimes and you know what, chia seeds work as a cooling agent. तो जिन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा chest burn या acidity की problem होती है, they can have these chia seeds with yogurt or milk. They will definitely see a positive outcome. इससे बहुत ज़्यादा relief उनको मिलेगा from acidity or chest burn. I know you will get chia seeds from a lot of brands, but the one that I've got from Vihado, it's just amazing. The quality of the product is next level. The packaging, the pricing, everything is so on point. I really like the pricing. The pricing is very affordable considering the benefits and the quality of the product. So guys, when it comes to oats or chia seeds, I'm definitely going to go for the brand Vihado always because I'm really happy with the results of the products, the quality, the pricing, everything. I'm so damn happy with them and that is why I'll keep buying their products and I'll keep suggesting you to buy their products as well. So these products of Vihado are available on Amazon as well. If you want these products, you can go on Amazon and buy the products. I'll put the link in the description box. They have their official website, so I will put their official website in my description box. You can check my description box and you can buy their products. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you will consider buying these products because they are amazing. They will bring you a lot of health benefits. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big fat thumbs up. So I'll meet you in the next video very soon. Till that time, bye bye and take care.